In today's digital world, businesses of all sizes rely on IT systems to operate and grow. But with this reliance comes several challenges, including cybersecurity threats, performance issues, and unexpected outages. That's where CSM International can help. We offer a range of professional services to help you monitor your technology systems for cybersecurity and performance or health issues, provide remote patch management and maintenance services, and respond to, report, and resolve operational or security issues. Our team of experienced consultants will work with you to assess your IT needs, develop a managed services plan, and implement the right solutions for your business. Our services include 24/7 monitoring and service support, cybersecurity threat detection and response, performance optimization, patch management and maintenance, incident response and resolution. With CSM International's managed services, you can be confident that your IT systems are always up and running, secure, and performing at their best. We'll take care of the day-to-day management of your IT systems, so you can focus on running your business. CSM International. IT operations and security management for businesses of all sizes. Visit our website to learn more about our services and to schedule a consultation.